Whew. Yeah, things you do for a good shot. How you going, folks? Yep, the Rekon long range. Got an 1850 on the back here, and I'm going bush to fly down the quarry. Got the Firefly X light on top there. Already warmed up my GPS. Hopefully I won't encounter any snakes while I am flying. Let's go.
Telemetry recovered. GPS fix.
Okay, everything's recording. Lengthy startup. The things that we do for a good shot. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Let's head over these trees and down to the quarry. Oh, a bit warm today. Let's just make sure I can see my location, because that would be a disaster in returning. Okay, let's fly down to the quarry. I'm not too sure how far out this is. I often said it was about 1 kilometre. I've never actually flown it, so we're going to find out now how far the quarry is away. Still an active quarry, so I need to make sure I don't get in the way of any trucks. That one down there. I think we'll just cruise down here, get some footage, and head back home before we run into trouble. Okay. I will be gentle on the sticks. I've got the TBS patch antenna on my sky zones. I just need to make sure I'm always looking in the right direction. It's 400 metres away. I thought it was a lot further than that. Okay, let's just head up the ramp here. Nobody there, and let's cruise up to the summit nice and slowly. Yeah, 500 metres. I thought it was a bit further than that. And we have reached the top. I'm fairly sure. Luckily I've got my directional arrow there, folks, because yeah, likely to get a bit lost. Okay, let's head back down here. Actually, let's just cruise over here. It's a lovely calm day. It would be criminal if I flew back without taking this up to a good kilometre. 730 odd. Right, looks like they're doing a little bit of digging around here. 800, 115. Let's just go to a kilometre, have a look around at the sand heaps and head back. Wherever back is. Looks pretty busy down there. nice flight. I love flying this Rekon. Hopefully the Firefly has picked up some good footage. A little bit of break up there. Just double check my location. Battery power's not too bad. 7 minutes on time now. Just going to make sure I save some time to look for somewhere to land. I think I'm somewhere here. Oh, hello. Thank goodness for that GPS guide. I won't go too far this way as we're looking the wrong way. Let's just get a bit of an aerial and then we'll find somewhere to land. Yeah, it's quite high enough. Lovely view. Okay, let's find somewhere to land. I was going to walk up to the summit up here. I couldn't be bothered, so let's just have a look and see what's up there. Oh, okay. Well, let's not do the return to home up here. Okay, right, let's bring it home and land. A little bit sketchy, but yeah, certainly did the job. Hopefully the X-Lite produced some good footage. Thumbs up guys, drop me a comment. 10 out of 10. See you next time. Bye for now.